Today's video, we're going to be testing out this scanner, the KingBolen Ya200. So they gave me this item to test because I also did their other scanner. Well, it's not a KingBolen scanner, I don't believe, but it's like an affiliate company, and they gave me another scanner that was actually pretty good, the bigger one I have. But this one is more like a travel and portable size scanner, so we're gonna give it a go. First, we're gonna unbox it. So let's see what we have in the package. Then we're gonna go through like its functionality and see if it works on a 2019 Toyota Tacoma. So give me a quick second and we'll set the camera up and start unboxing it. So we're in the car or truck, whatever, and let's see what we have. So first, you have a USB type B, I believe this one is, if I remember correctly. The one with this like kind of sharper shape. And then you have the scanner, which we'll get to in a second. And you have a little booklet, which we'll refer to if we need any help. But the scanner comes in this little protective casing, and it has like a nice like mesh look to it. Pretty good, pretty stealthy. Has a nice little screen on it. Yeah, so let's get into it. First, take off this little security thingy. Well, not a security thingy, but like one of those little things that they got on the top of bread packages. Go to the side, and then you unravel the little thingy. So we're gonna see first if it works with the car off. Let's see. The two ports should be similar here. Boom. So it does turn on while the vehicle is off. So if you have a dead battery, which it actually it's funny, it's not touchscreen, but right here it has a little battery thing. So we will go to, let's see, battery, and let's see what it's saying. So it's showing 12.4 volts, so our battery is good. Let's go to diagnostics or diagnosis. We're going to be seeing if we can diagnose the car with the vehicle off. So it is scanning and going through all of its settings, and this is actually very, very lightweight, so you can put this in a carry-on. Like, let's say you're like me, going to buy a vehicle and you're going to fly and you don't want to carry like the heavier, like it's about like 3-4 pounds, something like that, if I remember correctly. This is the other one I have, but this one weighs like a pound, if that. So it says communication errors, switch ignition on. So you cannot do the scan if the vehicle doesn't have the ignition on. So boom, we're gonna start it. Since we don't have the vehicle connected to a trickle charger, don't want to run down the battery. So diagnosis. Oh, that was actually super fast. So it says mile status, DTC count, monitor OK, monitor ink, monitor NA, ignition type spark. No copyright. But yeah, so let's see. I don't have any codes, so ECM and PCM read codes, stored codes, nothing, pending codes, nothing, permanent codes, nothing. Let's see. Oh, actually, ECM and PCM says live data, so let's check and see. It says all data streams. Hold the OK button for 2 seconds to make hold the OK button for 2 seconds to make the selected item in front. Okay, so we're going to see what kind of data this thing shows, and hopefully you guys can see what's on the screen. Okay, so it shows the catalytic converters are okay. Fuel system, load, let's see. So these things actually are going up. Let's see, RPM, does go up. I'm gonna actually see if we can get you guys zoomed in a bit. So let's see. Okay. Hopefully it's hopefully it is what do you call it? It's in focus. So we're gonna see. And the car's cold, so I'm not revving at more than 3,000. As you can see, there's a lot of good data on this thing. And DSS, spark advance, intake air temps, mass airflow, throttle position. Wow, there's actually a lot of stuff on here. O2, all the O2 sensors, and wow. So this actually does, for such a little thing, it does show quite a bit of information. So, wow, and it has the, you press this VIN lookup, you'll have the VIN lookup, let's see. Information, IM readiness, and it'll show everything that the OBD2 and the ECUs and everything like that, all the computers and modules in the car. If it has it, it'll show it. So, should you buy this? Again, I did get this for free. So, but I'm giving my honest opinion. Yes, because it has quite a bit of things, and this is a very, very affordable scanner. If I remember correctly, it's like $40 or $50. I'll have the link to double check, but it is very affordable, and it's better than the $40 to $50 ones that you get on at like what is it called, like AutoZone and Advance, because those ones are typically the same ones that you can get from like Amazon and eBay and things like that for like $10, $20. But this one, it has a nice screen, the refresh rate and everything like that is pretty quick. It's seamless. Boom, like, so as long as you're pressing the right button, it's seamless, so you can go through everything. And yeah, I do recommend this one. This is very, very handy for if you're going to go look at a vehicle and you just want something more slimmer profile and stuff like that, that you could just throw in your tool bag, throw in, like if you have like a fanny pack or a chest bag or any little thing like that, you can just throw this in there and you're good to go. So the KingBolen Ya200 scanner, definitely a go. You should cop it if you need a scanner. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.